Have you ever tried to perform a simple calculation in PHP, only to be met with unexpected results? It can be really frustrating, especially when you're working with different character sets. If that sounds like you, stick around because today we're going to solve a common issue with summing Bangla numbers in PHP. I completely understand how annoying it is when your code doesn't work as expected. You're not alone in this. Many developers face challenges when dealing with UTF-8 characters, especially when it comes to numerical operations. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, "How can I sum two Bangla numbers in PHP?" They provided a code snippet where they attempted to add the Bangla numbers 12 and 5, but the output was 0. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's going wrong here? The issue arises because PHP does not automatically recognize Bangla numerals as integers. Instead, it treats them as strings, which leads to unexpected results when performing arithmetic operations. Let's break this down step by step. And don't go anywhere. I have a simple solution that will not only fix this issue, but also enhance your understanding of handling different character sets in PHP. To sum two Bangla numbers in PHP, the user first needs to ensure that the numbers are treated as strings. This is important because PHP may not recognize them as numeric values directly. Next, the user should convert these Bangla string numbers into their corresponding integer values. This can be done using the int_val function after replacing the Bangla digits with their English counterparts. After converting the numbers, the user can now perform the addition. This is done simply by using the plus operator. Finally, the user can display the result using the echo statement. This will show the correct sum of the two Bangla numbers. Fun fact, did you know that the Bangla script has its own unique set of numerals? It's fascinating how different cultures represent numbers, and understanding these differences can really enhance your programming skills. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach provided by another user involves using the Intel extension in PHP. First, create a number format for the Bangla locale. Then, use num_fmt_parse to convert the Bangla numbers into integers. Finally, sum the two numbers and display the result. Here's a pro tip. Always ensure that the data types you're working with are compatible for the operations you want to perform. This will save you a lot of headaches in the future. And there you have it. You should now be able to sum Bangla numbers in PHP without any issues. Remember, understanding data types is crucial in programming. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.